It's ready! We can make bread! 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 Put flour, salt, sugar, leavening agent, and water in a bowl. Then knead it. Work that sucker till it's nice and firm. To knead, you hold the edge, then smack it down, again and again. Once you get it stretching easy, it's time for the first proofing. When the dough gets twice as big, cut it into equal pieces. Then shape with your hands. Let it proof some more. Then, once it finishes rising, set it down over some low heat. Steam it for a little bit. And when you open the lid, we got ourselves some bread.
Hey! Get them whatever they need. There, it's ready.
It's ready!